Hi, so today we'll be unboxing Kim's TV Crystal. So when you get the package that comes in the box that's like this, here's what's inside. So you get the micro HDMI to a micro HDMI. You get the receiver. You get the transmitter. When you go above the second level, there's like a manual inside, something that says the amount of parts that is supposed to be inside the box. There's also like a box here, a black box that has a 1/4-20 screw adapter, a mini to micro HDMI, and another bunch of antennas for the receiver. This is for a cold shoe for mounting to your camera, and underneath this you now see the 4 long antennas that are inside it, that are for both the transmitter and the receiver. So that's all you get in the package. So I'm actually gonna try and do some a practical case scenario that I'll use this. I'm not doing the 800 feet line of sight test. I have the transmitter and the receiver in front there, and the receiver is hooked up to my TV and my very old tablet there. I have a film playing on it. So I'm going to do a test whereby I go outside my house and walk through 2 walls, about 3 walls actually, to the behind my next neighbor's house, and see how it holds up with the signal passing through walls. So the tablet's going to be like sending a feed into the transmitter that will go into the receiver, and we'll see how that works. So I'm going to let's do this and see if it holds up to going through walls properly. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but we're still going and we'll be working. I just passed the first wall. Past the second wall now, still going. Past the third wall. By now we should probably lose signal if it's not working. I can only hope and see what the result is at the end of this test. I don't know if you could see this. There's like stuff going on. And I'm at the far corner of the house presently. Although it doesn't transmit 422 signal, it transmits the 420 signal, which I think is great for monitoring with little to no latency. So let's go back and find out if we got anything or if it did drop out.